To use Find It Virginia, from the library website, click Find It Virginia. Then you must click Explora High School. From here you can type in your search, or you can browse their categories below. Click More for more categories. We're going to type in World War II. And because I typed in such a broad category, I got a lot of results. If you narrow your category down, you will get fewer results. An example of that would be maybe trench warfare in World War II. That would get you a bit less results. To narrow them even further, use the limiters on the left. You can adjust by publication date, source type. You can even find primary sources. You can do it by Lexile level to give you easier to read articles. And we'll look at one real quick, just a random one. If you sign in up here on the right using your Google login, from here you can do a bunch of things like save it to your Google Drive. You click that and it downloads to your Google Drive. That way you can access it anytime without searching for it again. You can also use it offline from your computer. Another great feature is the citation. Click that. Scroll down to the citation that you use. Most teachers prefer MLA, and there it is. You can copy and paste that right into your Works Cited page. Close that. Here's the article. It'll do a few things for you. If you click here, it'll read it to you. That way, if you find some words that you're not too sure about, you can do that and it'll play it for you. And that's the article. And that's how to use Find It Virginia on Heritage website.